I have ideas all day long. A live stream idea, a GitHub project, something I heard from Alan Watts, a conversation with Jeffrey Snover. Most of them disappear. Or worse, I have the same ideas again 6 months later. So I built something incredibly small. One PowerShell command to capture a thought, then let AI connect it to everything else I've been thinking. This is PSDiaryAI. It's open source, it's just PowerShell, and everything is stored in a plain markdown file. Before I show you how it works, we can take a look at the console again. This is GDE. So I created a few entries earlier so we'd have something interesting to look at. I can do GDE-full. So I can see some more details, or I can see everything wrapped. And these are just entries stored in a markdown file. No database, no proprietary format, just my thoughts. So now let's capture one more idea. We'll capture this and let's see what happens. This does two things. First, it immediately saves my diary entry. Then it starts an AI job in the background. That job reads today's entries that you saw before, looks for themes, connects related ideas, and creates a companion markdown file. So we can see the job completed. The important part is the capture stays fast. I don't want to wait for AI just because I had an idea. Now what I can do is we can take a look at this entry. And those are all the different files from the entries I created earlier. And here we can see once the AI job is finished, we get a companion file. This is my favorite part. AI didn't replace my note. It became a companion to it. It noticed recurring themes, connected dots, connected ideas, suggested follow-up entries, and maybe even surfaced something I didn't notice myself. So let's grab this again. And this is AI looking across all of the ideas I had for the day. Today's entries converge on one thesis. AI's value is not replacing thought, but connecting, extending, and operationalizing ideas already in Doug's head. Gives me a bunch of tags about it. Possible actions, write a short thesis statement for PSDiaryAI, and even does some follow-ups. What are the main ideas from today that AI helped connect? How should PSDiaryAI represent relationships between diary entries? So every diary entry stays exactly as I wrote it. The AI companion lives besides it. If I don't want AI, I don't use the switch -AI. It's simple. I don't actually think this is about journaling. I think we're entering a world where our own thoughts become one of the most valuable data sets we have. AI already knows a lot about the world. What it doesn't know is what I've been thinking. That's what PSDiaryAI is exploring. Capture now, connect later. The module is free. The code is on GitHub. Give it a try. And if you're interested in building tools like this, experimenting with AI and exploring these ideas together, that's exactly what we're doing inside Agentic AI Forge. Thanks for watching.